you looking for a business that will never ever fail you? I got it covered, guys, because in today's video, I am going to be showing you 14 businesses that will never ever fail you. Join me, guys. Let's dive into this video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. My name is Ebys'Lady, and I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Hit on the notification button and let's go, guys. And these are businesses, no matter the economic situation, no matter the economic hardship, these businesses have come to stay and they have proven themselves that they are never ever going anywhere, guys. Come on, let's go. Number one business that will never ever fail, that can never ever fail you no matter what, is real estate business. This real estate business is one of the business that has low minimal failure rates. And anybody can do this business. Some people think that this business is only for the rich. Anybody can do this business. All you need to do is to study about the business. This business have many opportunities. The rich can do it, the average can do it, the middle class and the upper class can do this business. This business is all about the buying and selling of landed properties. You can also decide to build houses and sell them. You can decide to build and sell. You can also decide to build and rent. You can build hotels, you can build schools, you can build different kinds of buildings depending on what you need to do. And a lot of people are making money inside this business, and this business have proved that you will always make money doing this business. The next business is food business. Food business is one of the business that have always shown us that it can never ever go. This is one of the business that help people to take care of themselves daily because people need basic needs. Food business makes people money. No matter the economic situation or if you're looking to build your personal finance, food business is one of the business that you can go into and you will never regret it. It has low failure rates. You can decide to go into food processing or food storage or food production. Any of this can make you money, or decide to go into eatery and restaurants. This is one of the business that have proven that it will never ever go. The next business is laundry businesses. Laundry business is one of the business that can never ever fail. It will never ever fail, no matter the situation, no matter the circumstances. People are no longer washing their clothes because of their schedule. People don't even have time. So you can start this business. You don't need to wash them with your hands. You can get a washing machine, get your iron, get your tools and your working tools, and you start this business. This business thrive most in the city. It doesn't work more if you are in a rural location. So this business can even work more when you find yourself, maybe get your location, get a good location like in the school, in a dormitory, near the church, and even in the hotel. You will not even struggle to get customers because the customers are already there. All you need to do is to get good hands that can help you, hire people that can help you to start this business. The next business is transportation business. Transportation business is one of the business that have proven to be good and will never ever fail. People are making money doing this business. This is a transportation of going from one place to another. You can start your business, transportation business, either in the air or in the sea or on the land. You can start your transport company like the Uber or the boats. Even people are buying ships, people are buying yachts, or people are buying flying boats. All these businesses are making money and it will never go. Now people are doing courier business, moving their products from one place to the other. They use transportation and this business have come to stay. It is never ever going anywhere. So you can start it big or you can start it small, depending on what kind of business that you want to start. The next one is healthcare services. Healthcare services business is one of the business that will never ever fail. If you're trying to build your personal finance, you can start this business. And whether you are into a medical field or not, you don't need to be a medical doctor or a health personnel to start a healthcare service. If you are interested in this business and you have passion for this business, you can start it. All you need to do is to get a capital, get your tools, and make sure you register your business because you need a permission and a license to start this particular health business. You can build your niche into pharmacy, or you build a hospital, or you build a dental clinic. All these things are making money for people, and this business have come to stay because people need to take care of themselves daily. People are making money into this business and it has low rates of failure. The next business that you can start is fashion business. Fashion business and apparel is one of the businesses that is giving people money today, and it will never go. There are many brands growing up today doing fashion and apparel business. This business have proven a low minimum failure and it will never ever fail. If you start this business, you just need to be focused and promote your business. Whether you want to start big, we have big brands like Gucci and other like Victoria's Secrets, and all of them they are making money in everywhere around the world. So these businesses have proven to have low minimum failure. The next business that you can start is agriculture business and farming business. Farming business is one of the business that are making people millionaires, making people rich today. A lot of people think that people that are doing farming work are people that are jobless. That people that are poor people. This one is not about poor people. If you want to go into mega business or even small scale business, you need to be focused. A lot of people are making money. Some of the richest people in the world are doing farming business because they make money every time. And this business, you can go into animal husbandry or you can go into crop production. Anyone that you choose to do, all of them are good. You can set up a farm and start your fish farming, yes, cow business. Start your pig business, rearing all these animals and goats, and they can make you money. You can also go into crop production, like planting of maize, planting of tomatoes and pepper, yam, rice, and beans. These are cash crops that will always give you money, and they are the businesses that will never ever go. Either you go into husbandry, animal husbandry, or you go into production. Choose the niche that you want to do, and it will always make you money. The next business that will always make you money, number 8, is cleaning business. Cleaning business is one of the business that people are thriving today. These are business that you need to do inside the city because these businesses thrive more in the city. A lot of people, like people that have offices, people that have industrial places, schools, apartments, they need cleaning. You need capable hands to start this business, and they have proven that it will never ever fail. No matter how the situation is, no matter how the economy is, these businesses will always sell. Get your washing tools, get people and get them to and start marketing and promoting your business. These businesses have come to stay and they're not going anywhere. The next business that you can start, number 9, is personal fitness and gym business. Gym business today is not a bad business at all. This is one of the big business that people are doing today. All you need to do is to get your gym equipments and your tools and make sure this business is in the city. If you now stay where young people are, you will make a lot of money doing and setting up your gym business. The next business that is so powerful and that can never ever go no matter the situation is renewable energy. Renewable energy is one of the business that has low minimum failure because right now people are some people cannot even stay without light. So people that cannot stay without light, and we don't even have enough light, renewable energy companies, distribution, production, renewable distribution companies, sorry, we don't even have enough energy production companies that can give people light. So assuming that you start this business is going to be making you quite lots of money. There are many billionaires, there are many rich people that are into this business. So if you're looking for a business that will never ever fail, this business is as well going to drive money for you. You can set up your solar energy business company and it's going to make you money. You're not going to fail. Just be focused. The next business that can make you money and it will never ever go is information technology. Now look at the billionaires. The richest people in this world are into information technology, IT business. Look at Facebook, look at Mark, and look at Elon Musk. Look at Bill Gates. These ones are billionaires. They have made money in doing IT business. IT business is a production of digital products and solutions. So you will even thrive well, whether you have experience or you don't have experience, you can start up your IT business. And the best one is if you have experience in software engineering and codes and also information sec, you will make money. You will thrive more into this business. So the next business that will never ever fail you is financial technology business. Financial technology business is a business where people use technology to make financial transactions. People are doing this business and they are rich. So whether you want to set up your business in any of these, if you know that you are capable of doing these services, like helping doing capable of people using, adding banks and doing their services, this is one of the business that people are doing. We have brands like InterSwitch, PayPal, MasterCard, and Paystack into this financial technology business. They're using technology to do financial transactions, and people are making it. The next business that can help you and it will never ever fail is entertainment business. This one have low failure rates. It has low failure rates, and you can start this business as well. Right now, the world is more of watching more videos and music videos. You know, you can provide quality and inspiring videos for people. People have demand for this business. It can make you quite money, and this one is never ever going to go right now in this age that we are. The next business is education. Education right now is one of the business that will never ever fail. If you're looking to build your personal finance, education business can help you as well build your personal finance. People have demand right now for quality educations, for a quality education, I mean. So you can build your education business and make money from that. Get quality education to people that needs them. Get your learning skills and your learning tools. And before you know it, you start making money. So all these businesses that I have mentioned, they will never ever fail you. Just choose any one that you want to do and consult somebody. Make sure you have consultants. And if you want to do them, whether it's you want to do big, a mega business, or you want to start small, definitely you're going to make it. If you have watched to this moment, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, guys. Subscribe to my channel, hit on the notification button so that anytime I post my videos, you will get them. It's your baby girl, Ebys'Lady on the beat. Subscribe, like, share my videos. Bye bye, and see you next time. Bye bye.